Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Today's story name is Snowy's Christmas Magic School. It was a cold, quiet winter night. It was Christmas Eve. Snowy the snowman gave a big snowman smile. Welcome, little fairies. Flicker, Sprout, and Tinsel were ready. They were ready for Christmas Magic School. First lesson: how to shine the snowy lights. Shine, 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 said Snowy. Flicker wiggled his nose. Pop, pop, the lights began to glow. Good job, Flicker. Next lesson: how to wrap the happy presents. Wrap, 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 said Snowy. Sprout jiggled and used his wings. Swish, swish, the box was wrapped with a bow. Suddenly a deep voice, "Ho, ho, ho, you all sound wonderful." It was Santa. Santa gave them each a tiny silver star badge. Good job, little Christmas helpers. Snowy smiled a warm, round smile. Now the little fairies were ready to bring joy. That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.